family, welcome back to my channel. Our first ingredient today is Horsetail herb. We will be using just 1 tablespoon of this old war herb. Horsetail is a very old herb. The herb is believed to be able to stimulate hair growth. It's because it is very high in antioxidants. Horsetail can also improve circulation, which is blood circulation onto our scalp, leading to the improvement of hair follicles and to help stimulate our hair growth. We will be putting in 1 tablespoon of that. Our next powerful ingredient on this list today is quinoa. That is how it looks. Quinoa offers accessible vegetable protein to gently cleanse and nourish your hair. Its amino acids help repair damage to the hair shaft, while its protein coats, strengthen, and protect the hair, packed with vitamins and minerals as well as amino acids. Quinoa can aid in hair growth while preventing breakage because it strengthens your hair. Our third ingredient in this mixture today is moringa powder. One great benefit of regularly using moringa is its ability to strengthen hair. The keratin is a protein essential to hair growth. Its formulation relies on amino acids, minerals, and vitamins, all of which are present in moringa. One of the most common methods of using moringa is in the powder form. I prefer to use it in its powder form. Our next ingredient is dry rosemary. Rosemary can counter hair loss by stimulating blood circulation in the scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. A solution from the rosemary herb helps clean the hair follicles by unclogging them. Clogged follicles often lead to problems like dandruff and, in extreme cases, hair fall. I will also be adding in 1 teaspoon of lavender herb. I'm just going to mix all of this together. Should have something like this. I will be using 2 cups of aloe vera juice. I'm just going to heat this up in the microwave for 1 minute, and then I will come and pour it into my herb. We are going to cover this up and leave it for 24 hours. So tomorrow we will screen it and start to use it on our hair. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, family, so our solution is ready. I normally use this in combination with my fenugreek and quinoa deep condition. I will also leave that video down in the description box for you to watch it. I am high porosity, so I can also use this as a daily treatment in between my wash days. But if you are low porosity, I would suggest that you do not use it more than 7 days in the month. So if you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.